Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today? Today we're listening to Radio OUN out of Kampot, Cambodia. Let's see what they're spinning.
I'm too shy for you. No way I wanna act with you.
Looking for a new revolution. This one didn't get very far. I'm never
Time to fly away. I'm okay, but I do miss.
And that's about the time she walked away from me. Nobody likes you when you're 23. And I saw more of here's my TV shows.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap. If you find yourself in Kampot, check out TMI Company. Couldn't find too much information about them, but check them out. And also Phnom Chinark, a Hindu temple and a cave about outside of the city. Thanks for listening.